it will be possible to trade the Bitcoin ETP. Today on the London Stock Exchange, we're going to look at the Chainlink ICP AI show. Brad Garlinghouse will talk to us about face recognition. After that, we'll talk about Ripple burning their XRP escrow and how that might affect the price of XRP. Don't worry, you're about to get a treat. Bitcoin is now worth 1% more than it was yesterday when it was worth $68,442. Ethereum's 24-hour performance is changing right in front of my eyes. It is now at 393,901, but it is still up 6%. At the end of the day, both USDT and USDC were worth 99 cents in XRP with a main debt of 53 cents. It's gotten better. It looks like 53% of them think everything is fine. 53 cents went up by 0.53%. Guys, only XRP is adding to the current size of the cryptocurrency market, which is 65 billion rupees. This is just a basic look at where the market is now. Go to the coin tracking site of your choice. You can find CoinMarketCap, CoinLife, CoinWatch, CoinUse, GitGo, and Paprika on any site you go to. It's all up to you, you know that. Come on over. If you click on the last 24 hours over here, you can see all the tokens that have gone up a lot. Scroll down and then swipe right on the last 24 hours. Look at them quickly. How do they look? You know what memes are? We are in the meme coin phase right now, but we will soon be out of it. Don't worry, all of your meme coin money will be returned to you. Bad meme coin pieces that can't be used for anything won't be around for a while, especially after this bull cycle is over. How many miles does it go? As a result, most of it will end up in Bitcoin, which is one of the best ones. Some people are interested in Ethereum. We're still interested in that means, but maybe a little more in the Solana, XRP, etc. of coins. We'll be breaking out of that soon, so don't worry if you missed the store. It's now open. It was a lot higher a few months ago. It's now available and shipping is free because being foreign doesn't matter to anyone. Shipping is free for everyone, no matter where they live or are. They have writing on them. The things that sell the most are whiskey glasses. Those tumblers are on their way. Soon I'll have some handmade puzzles and pillows here, and everything is available here and will be sent to you for free. I'm also going to get those Stanley Cup Rocks glasses. I don't use a credit card to buy cryptocurrency, I just pay for it and buy some. The process is very simple. There is a lot going on with the MT, Gox Bitcoin wallet, and people are scared. I think Bitcoin will hit its highest point. This loop will end when the bull goes over MT Gox. So go back to 3,000, 10,000 or whatever. Do what the plan says. Crypto historic, get rid of it. He goes away. Taking a look back at the last 5 years, it looks like the same amount of Bitcoin was taken out of MT Cox's wallet today as it was every year. Also, guess what? Bitcoin didn't care. It is still moving and will keep moving forward. You move there when you go there. Nick let it go. More than 42,000 Bitcoins were sent from MT. Gex to wallets that have not been named. One account will get $9 billion in Bitcoin as part of the plans to pay back the debt. A lot of people thought that there would be a rush to sell Bitcoin and that it would all be dumped on the markets where it would climb in value. You should, and we should, know that this is it. Go to the open market, the run was fun. That we did have it, don't accept it as likely. Crypto urged ignoring this right and just reading the news. Follow the past charts. This doesn't add anything new. It has happened in the past and what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin will do what it set out to do no matter what. This year, it's likely to hit 100,000, and the highest point will be between 130 and 170, with a chance of going as high as 250. It's not much, but people are scared and shaking. Do not do that at all. I promise you it's that mental game again. Trade in Bitcoin ETP, which is a lot of money, will start today on the London Stock Exchange. Remember that not every ETP is an ETF, but every ETP is an exchange-traded product ETP. What about this big one, the stock exchange? More money is going to come in. You want to know how Bitcoin plans to get to those six-figure amounts, so keep reading. Put it on. On stock markets, these stocks are bought and sold. Large amounts of money are spent by global markets to get more people to join. The value of Bitcoin is going up. As we've already talked about on this channel, we're spending more than $100 on the Chainlink. To get started, let's take a short break. In this case, the Chainlink chart is up 5.2% and selling at $18. You still have time to put money into this project because the Chainlink's next goal is likely to be between $20 and $22. Chainlink woke up in an important support area. From here on out, there will likely be an extension and a low. The price of this thing might have gone up by 150 to 300%, which would mean a 300% price increase of $81,624. 2 and 3, you'll need to pay $50 for a Chainlink. It looks like it will be huge, huge. Yes, Oracle assigned $20 breakout is what a burrito market slowdown looks like. Chainlink, a service provider, has taken a big step to profit from the BRT market decline. Chainlink had gained more than 5% in the 24 hours before the news came out, ending the day at $18.10 one. This is about the same chart we talked about before. And it also brings up the idea that the Chainlink might finally take the place of our share. Now is the time for everyone to agree that Swift will go down in Texas. We also talked about Chainlink. During this bull market, she will make us a lot of money. They watched a show of a very big AI that could recognize faces for $12, which is almost nothing. ICP will be a beast to look at, going to trade in 100 or 300, depending on where it is before. This is another one that will be in the running. It moves when it needs to. We were only up not $20 over, but things are coming together a bit. A few months ago, it wasn't too bad. And everything is going to blow up. And it's also coming together, which means we have to move. How high were we in the last 90 days? Yes, you can see. We were ahead $18. That's what I remember. That was in April. But after that, we ran for a short time from 11 to 18. And then we fell. We are making some changes very close to the bottom of it. Then something will go off and now they are sharing their facial recognition demo. Hey everyone, that's a big one, folks. Huge things. Let me get this. Tether is owned by a company outside of the US. To be honest, the US is going after that. Brad Gallinghouse said that Ripple, a US-based player that was initially compliant, has a big part to play in this talk about the Ripple stablecoin. That person who says Tether is not a US-based company is one you should pay close attention to. The US is also kind of going after that because they want this to be regulated right away. Well, the Senate just passed a new bill that will make stablecoin laws. Personally, I think this is a good start. Finally, there may be some forward movement, but I still think the market will continue to grow a lot. A US-based player that puts compliance first is, in my view, a great player in that, and it plays a huge role. But I wish I had given it a little more time to sink in. It was messed up again by someone named I. Look at how stable the Bitcoin market is right now. In 4 years, 150 billion people will be in that market. In 3.5 years, I think the market for stablecoins will be worth $2.8 trillion. Ripple is moving into stable currencies for a reason, but the fact that they're giving up XRP in favor of a stablecoin is the biggest joke of all. I have some good news. Everything about the stablecoin is built on top of the XRP system, which you already know how to use. XRP Ripple is just putting itself in a good position by making smart moves. Brad is sure of something with all his heart. Brad knows some people who are always one step ahead because they have a feeling that something is going on and that lawyers are involved. The CTO of Ripple has stated that it would be useless to burn the XRP escrow. Stella Barney Escrow said, here's why I think this is true. There was a rise of about 7 points, but it went back down quickly. We're not here. Right, quick throws down. For quick throws. If that were true, we wouldn't be in XRP because nothing moves quickly there. Being very familiar with it, except for the fact that prices move slowly on the blockchain. Know that I've been here for 7 years? I get it. I promise. I would tell you my story if I had money in the chain. I would have quit 4 times by now if luck had been used instead of XRP. But let's look at what we know about Dave Burney's life. What is going to happen? There is no order. Not even worth the money. Nothing. To put it another way, it will stay the same. Several times, is that right? What, on the other hand, could actually ripple in the escrow? They say they could sell XRP but couldn't. We would be looking for the total amount of XRP to go up every month and then drop back down every month. There won't be any changes to the price raises, though. Look at XLM. We would make it harder for Ripple to sell, even though nothing would change. I agree with this because we've been through this because before, listen, we're leaving. Once more, this is how they sell it. Has anything to do with us, it's because they need to sell everything they have in order to restock. Just to put us back where we were before the other walls came down. That being said,